Locate your car's OBD port. It's usually under the steering wheel. Here's where my car's OBD port is located. Take out the OBD cable. Plug the trapezoid connector into the car's OBD port. Unwrap the cable. Connect the Type-C plug on the OBD cable to the dashcam's power port. The dashcam powers on through the OBD cable. Even now the car's engine is turned off. Start the engine. Go to System Settings to turn off Auto Screen Off, so you can easily check the device status. Go to Settings, Camera Settings. Select Parking Monitor Mode. Set the collision sensitivity to high. Turn off the engine. The dash cam will continue to record standard videos for about 5 minutes. Notice the time. 5 to 6 minutes later, the dash cam powers off. The touchscreen no longer responds. Now, simulate a collision. The dash cam powers on and records a 15 seconds locked video. Then, it powers off to save your car's battery. Start the engine again to power on the dash cam. You'll see a pop-up notification to remind you of the collision video. Now let's set up the other parking mode, time-lapse recording mode. Set the frame rate to 1 FPS. Stop the car's engine. The dash cam will continue to record standard videos for about 5 minutes. About 5 to 6 minutes later, you can see that it enters the time-lapse recording mode. Tap the screen, it's in the process of the time-lapse recording. Start the car's engine. Time-lapse recording mode ends. The dash cam continues recording standard videos. At last, tidy up the OBD cable routing.